Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter again, out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. And what I'm going through this morning is copying and creating a capture page. And I just wanted you guys to sort of go along with me and get an idea on how I create my capture pages. And what I'm going to do now, well, what you are looking at? What you are looking at is the Power Lead system. This is what I use to promote my business opportunity. And when you join the Power Lead system, you can join as Lead Lightning for $7 one-time fee. But if you upgrade to the Power Lead system, you are able to do what I'm about to do now. I am in my back office. I have clicked on Webpages, and what I'm going to do right here is scroll down to Webpages. I'm going to copy Webpage. Now I'm going to go down the line to find me a page that I want to copy. And what these blank custom pages, these are pages of share codes that I have shared with other people because I like their pages, and I'm just going to bring one up so I can show you what it's all about. Here's one with the email only, and I'm going to bring it up to see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like right now. Your private invitation, residual income. I'm looking for people who are serious. This is one I created before from share code. Now I'm going to go back and create another one. I'm going to copy it. Click copy, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down, and I'm going to click make me a copy. Now I'm going to give this page a name. Teaching. No, I'm going to put learn how to market in a big way. And that's the title of the web page to show here in this area. This the title that will show in this area. Now I'm going to put in this page what people will see. Learning to market online and be successful. Okay, and then I'm going to make a subdomain. Easy marketing, that's what I'll call it, online. Okay, right here say I want to use a new address with my existing domain example, and then they give me an example, and this is my domain here, market with Marlon. But whenever I put some prefix in before market with Marlon, the dot right after the www dot, I create a subdomain. And right now, this is all we will do? Well, we're gonna send the campaign to 24/7 autoresponding campaign. All these are different autoresponding messages that will go out. So I'm going to choose the viral cache autoresponder messages by Jeff Garner. And another web page I can put right here. Once they click on it, they will see a bridge page that I would make, anything, any page that I would like to send them to. But I'm going to leave it as the default sales page. Save changes. Okay, I've saved changes to the page I just created. Now I'm going to put a background on it. I'm going to choose a background. I think that I want to let's try this one right here. Okay, we chose that background. Now we're going to save changes. You see the man and woman here. We're going to save changes. We're going to view our page. And this is what it looks like right here. And if I want to revise, and I probably will later on, but just to give you an example of how you can create your own or copy your own capture page inside of the Power Lead system. Let's go back over. We're going to edit. We're going to edit the web page. And right here, you can go down, scroll down, and edit the page. Marketing online and making serious income. And we're going to save it. Put a little space in there. We're going to save changes. And we're going to view the page. This is how it looks. Your private invitation marketing online and making a serious income. I'm looking for people who are serious about making monthly residual income in a much faster way online. And that's it. Click on the link below and get your own marketing system, Power Lead system, and you can make cash 24/7 with this system. And all you have to do is create your own web pages or use the ones that's already there. You can use the ones that's already there. See this subdomain I created right here? And I can choose any other page I want to instead of the one that I already chose. But anyway, I'm Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. We'd love to have you a part of our team, and we do training. And every week we have webinars on training how to use it, this system. And you have training anytime you log online. You have a training area that you can go to learn by videos, simple videos. All right. Have a good day or night. Bye-bye now.